Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. As you can see, today I am going to go over 3 different storage ideas that I have implemented in my house, and this is one of them. This is a shoe container, shoe rack or whatever, that has the the 4 holes at the top, and it typically goes like over a door, but I'm using it in my pantry to hold all of my aluminum foil, plastic wrap. I have in here my trash bags, as you can see. I have Ziploc bags, covers, these little matches for outside. So anything in boxes because it's always so hard to store, and I don't want to use room in a cabinet or in my pantry or on a shelf, so I wanted to utilize the wall space behind the door. Now, a lot of people have doors in their pantry that open out into their house. I happen to not be one of them. So it's kind of weird to come in here and, I don't know, I just didn't want it on the back of my door. So I just put it on the back of the wall. So that is the first storage idea, and I will show you the next one. Okay, so this is my next storage idea. So I found these suit bags at Walmart. They're the clear. I can't find them at every Walmart because I was actually looking for them another time just recently. But you can see the front is the front of the suit bag. It has the zipper, down the front. Well, this particular one has these pouches on the back. And you can see they have the smaller ones. They have bigger ones. I have all my Christmas labels. I have tape up here. And then down here they have a long one where you can keep your tissue paper. Then when you turn it around, and I'm not going to turn this one around because I actually tried to do it with one hand just a few minutes ago, and it broke off this was a 2-tiered one. It had 2 hooks on it. You can see right here I broke the other one off. So I'm not going to try to turn this one around, but I'm going to show you this one. This is the one that broke off. But on the suit side, where you have the tall zipper, this is where you keep your tall rolls of wrapping paper. So as you can see, I have a lot of wrapping paper. I have one for just generic, like birthdays, whatever. And then I have another one that has a lot. I'm not going to say all of my Christmas wrapping paper because, yeah, I have a lot of Christmas wrapping paper. But anyway, this one has a lot of my wrapping paper on the, if I turn it around. But I need 2 hands to do that. So, and actually, I wasn't going to show you this one, but I will since it's right here next to it. But this is another thing that I have under my stairs in the closet. This has gift bags, and you can see I don't know if you really can see, but I have gift bags. This is like baby shower, I have Christmas, I have birthday, and then I have, big ones up top, and then I have some with like bows. I have some tissue paper. Anyway, that's also how I organize my gift bags. So this is kind of my present storage organization area. So now we move on to, I was going to say idea number 3, but this will be idea number 4. Okay, so my last storage organization is another shoe storage hanger, but this one is the one that is mesh, and I wanted the mesh one because I wanted to be able to see through it. As you can tell, I love Mrs. Meyer's products, because most of my cleaning supplies are Mrs. Meyer's. But anyway, I just thought this is actually my laundry room that we're in right now, and this is the back of my laundry room door. I figure, why not utilize space that's not being used, but yet doesn't take up a lot of room in a room. So I have this one hanging over the door, and in it you can see I have like my hand soaps, I have my dish soap. This is like all-purpose spray, room fresheners. This is a carpet freshener. Again, more room spray. I love Mrs. Meyer's stuff. More dish soap. I do have some sponges, lint roller. So anyway, look how much space this is. I have so much storage space, and it takes up no room in my laundry room. You can see when the door closes, when the door opens, boom. It just takes up no space, and it's a ton of storage area. So anyway, that is just a few of the ideas that I have for organization that are really inexpensive, and to me they just save so much room in your house. And when you have your stuff organized like that, it helps you keep it organized. So anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope you have enjoyed a couple of the tips. If you use storage similar to this and you use it in a different way, comment in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you're stopping by, you've never been by here before, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, and y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button or the bell button so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Go do some storage and organization. Bye.